What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, guys. We got a new arrival over there, and it's over there. You may or may not recognize it, but we're about to get down off the trailer and check it out. Alright, boys, so you're probably asking yourself, where have I seen that car before? And yes, boys and girls, this is the one Lee bought for Alex, and she's back. We've been talking about some of the upcoming builds and showing you some of the parts. Well, yes, she's back because Lee wants to go faster. It's like seeing an old friend, you know, it's been so long. Yeah, guys, over 2 years ago, you and I went and picked this car up in Alabama as a shell, and then Alex ended up buying it, and then put it together, built it, got it running, and then Lee bought it from Alex, and it's back again because he wants to go faster. Man, it's been a while since I've seen this car. And of course, Lee got the S71s on it, and done some other stuff, you know, nothing crazy. The car was done. I mean, it was ready to go. Beautiful black interior. Now, this is a 6R80 car. In case you didn't remember, go back if you want to see the build on this car. And if you want to go back, way back, when we actually picked this up, there was... Oh, yeah, she's slick. Black coupe needs a little bit of work, but she's there. Quarters are good.
It's got one on this side. Does it? It's got one missing on this side. Yeah. Got the trans cost member in here, huh?
And I don't know if that's for a Ford or like a 4L80.
But she's back, so let's talk about what we're gonna do. All right, guys, so everybody remembers Lee. He had the black convertible, and you met him at Foxtoberfest, and you saw in the last upload we picked up the convertible. Well, this is, of course, now his car. So, Lee, we got plans for this thing, dude. What do you think?
I think we ought to do something to it.
Yeah. So the plan right now is it needs Circle D converter.
It's got a Circle D converter. We got some ID 1300s.
Oh, yes.
Yes. Gonna do the same fuel system we did on the convertible.
Okay, so the on-3 fuel system with the triple pumps.
Yeah. And I've been talking to Frank at Power by the Hour.
Yep.
And we're talking about possibly getting the first Gen 5.
The first Gen 5 Whipple.
Whipple kit for my Power by the Hour for these cars with all
Very
the
nice.
proper...
Now, if we can't get it, you know, hey, we can put the Whipple, like, you know, the kit from the other car.
Yeah, the car will be plenty fast enough for the other one. The car,
yeah.
I mean, at 800 wheel horsepower, the car should run 890s.
Yes.
But I'm not gonna, you know, we'll see what happens. I'm not gonna put a cage in the car, so I'm not gonna go that fast. But
right, maybe one pass, get kicked out, and then just head home. You know,
that's set for that. We just won't race with that.
That's always a good time. And clearly, guys, this is a notch on tire, so it's got a lot better opportunity to go really fast and take advantage of that Whipple. And so this is gonna be fun. So we're gonna do fuel system, Whipple, converter. Anything else?
Suspension, full suspension.
Okay, yeah.
Double adjustable front and rear coilovers.
Very, very nice.
That way we can adjust it in case we do get it to hook.
Yeah, it'll hook. Definitely with the 6R80, it's definitely gonna hook. And
well, I got a 3C converter, so I'm wondering if that's gonna be too big. But I've talked to several people, and it ought to. We'll see. It might even do a little wheelie.
Yeah, so this is gonna be a complete monster. And
I'm gonna have something faster than my wife's car.
Yeah, exactly right. But now, like, when you come back to get it, or maybe we can meet somewhere and stuff, we've got to get this car, once it's all put together, take it to the track and see what it does, and maybe embarrass my red car with it, you know?
Yeah, like I said, I can come up here maybe when you do your May.
Yeah.
The May.
Yeah, we're actually working on that, guys, real quick. Ford takeover dates. I'm trying to get that locked in, so stay tuned for that. Ford takeover dates coming very soon. But yeah, dude, this is gonna be I'm excited. Super nice to not only see the car again, but now we get to have you come back and hang out again, get to build another badass car. It's gonna be,
that's not my third time here.
Yeah, exactly. So what are we building next time?
Well, I brought all my Ford pushrod stuff to you guys, so
okay.
Whatever it is, it probably won't be one of those.
Yeah, I got you.
I told my wife the next time we come up, hopefully it'll be with an empty trailer, not bringing something else to to bring.
You can't ever tell.
She
I mean,
rolled her eyes, so
it's so much fun, but awesome. Looking forward to it. All right, boys. So if you caught the upload last week, I did explain a few things that that had shown up, and again, we're gonna do another innovative wideband, and we got the Circle D. I think he said this is a C3 converter, and then of course Ford Motorsport 315 ring and pinion. The reason we're doing that is because of the supercharger, and it works really, really, really well with the 6R80s. In case you didn't know, the S550s, some of the fastest S550s out there run 315 gears. But here's the suspension. Got all Viking performance coilovers and springs, and it's going to be front and rear coilovers, guys. So yeah, the car is going to hook, and it's going to be an absolute beast. We are waiting on Frank from Powered by the Hour. He is going to hopefully be sending us the very first Gen 5 Whipple kit to put on that car. And again, if we can't get it in time, because Lee's wanting to get this car done pretty quick, then probably just go with the previous car, the previous Whipple kit that was on his convertible. So no worries there. Either way, the car is going to be insane. Can't wait to wow, can't wait to feel this in a notchback on tire. It's going to be an animal. This last and final bit of parts we've got right here. We're gonna have the 6R80 completely redone, all new clutches, stronger like billet input shaft, all that good stuff. So the 6R80 will be plenty solid. Like, this is actually the input shaft right here. And yeah, can I get it out? Nah, probably not. But anyway, boys, there is the input shaft. And where did he get this from? Rees Racing? Who knows? But anyway, y'all, upgraded input shaft. We're going to do the clutches and stuff like that. So have the transmission rebuilt, and then of course put the converter in at that point. And she's going to be mean. Can't wait. All right, boys, so that is pretty much it as far as giving you update on what we've got coming. This car is going to be a beast, and hopefully have it running by Ford Takeover. That's going to be a lot of fun. But again, y'all, nice to have this car back here at the shop, do some work. And forgot, if I didn't show you earlier, it's got the Dakota digital cluster and all that. You got the blue, and then got the double DIN radio, 6R80 transmission, select shift is right there. It's a monster, boys. And look, he even got the cup holder console. Kind of dig that. Very, very nice. Gonna be amazing. You'll actually be able to see the Whipple under this hood. Guys, I don't know if you can tell or not how big that hood is, but it's tall. You gotta be tall to drive this car. Definitely don't want to be sitting down, but actually 1,500 miles on the swap, so very, very cool. Gonna be a lot of fun building this bad boy. All right, boys, so that is the update. Got Lee's car, the notchback back here that Alex built and me and Dover picked up over 2 years ago. So super excited to see that and do that build. Let's see, hopefully this build will not take a long time. Again, we're just doing, rebuilding the transmission, redoing the suspension, putting the supercharger on it, tune, all of that, and she'll be ready to rock and roll. It's gonna be a monster. I can't wait. So in the meantime, Lee's got his Whipple charged Coyote Swap GT convertible drive. So I think he'd be good. I think he'll be good. And yeah, I think that's about it. So we do have another build coming in, guys. That car, I'm not exactly sure when that's coming, but it should be soon. And I'll bring that to you as soon as we get the car in. It's going to be pretty freaking awesome, too. I promise you're going to love it. But in the meantime, if you're excited to see this old notch back here at the shop and see it built, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, and we're going to get to work. So, see ya.